Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 12 of class 10th, area related to circles. Before starting the exercise, first of all we discuss some basic concept of that. And the first one is, what is the circle? If you don't know, then there is a circle having a center with the radius. If we connect two radius with each other, then this circle is divided into two parts, that is the one part and part 1 number 2. These part is known as sector. This is the minor sector and this is the major sector. With some angle of theta, this is the radius. So first of all, what is the radius, area of the circle, circumference of the circle, area of sector, and all these things. So if this is the radius circle, then the circumference, area of circle is, we know that pi r square, and the circumference is 2 pi r. Similarly, in the case of the sector, we remember that sector divides the circle in two different parts. The first part is this one and second part is this one. So if I want to find the area of this sector, then area of sector will be, we can say sector or minor sector, means is same, is pi r square theta upon 360. This theta is the angle, and the area of major sector will be area of circle minus area of minor sector. So we can say pi r square minus pi r square theta upon 360. Or if I take the pi r square common, then the formula will be pi r square 1 minus theta upon 360. These are some first basic points. Now let us start. In the first exercise of chapter number 12, we just discussed about the question related to the area of circle and the circumference of the circle. So first of all we discuss about that. So the first question is of the exercise 12.1. The radius of two circles are 19 and 9. I have drawn the two circles of radius 9 and 19 as usual. Find the radius of a circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of other two circles. अब इस सर्कल की मुझे रेडियस निकालनी है अगर मेरे पास जो सर्कमफ्रेंस है इस सर्कल की वो इन दोनों की सर्कमफ्रेंस का सम है. मीन्स मुझे गिवन है circumference of the circle 1 plus circumference of the circle 2 is circumference of that circle. जिसकी circumference C है, इसका C2 है, इसका C1 है. So I can say the formula of circumference is 2 pi, the radius is, let's suppose radius is R1 is 9 and R2 is 19. So 2 pi R1 plus 2 pi R2. The circumference of the both the circles will equals to the 2 pi r. Now what will you do? You just take the first circle, find the circumference of that, then second circle, circumference of that, and then you solve it by adding them. There is no need to do this. Just common the 2 pi, either is r1 plus r2 is equals to 2 pi r. This 2 pi will cancel by this one. Put the value of r1 is 9. This is 19 will equals to the r. So therefore radius is 28 centimeter because these radius are in centimeter. Very simple question it is. Now there is a second question. In this question he says The radius of two circles is 8 and 6. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the area of the two circles. अब की बार हमें क्या दिया है, दोनों रेडियस दी हुई हैं, दो सर्कल्स की, कह रहा है इन दोनों के एरिया का सम मीन्स A1 प्लस A2 इज इक्वल्स टू द एरिया ऑफ दिस सर्कल जिसकी हमें रेडियस निकालनी है. तो अब हम रहें एरिया ऑफ सर्कल का फॉर्मूला पाई R1 स्क्वायर दैट इज पाई R2 स्क्वायर विल इक्वल्स टू पाई R स्क्वायर. अगेन पाई इज कॉमन, R1 स्क्वायर R2 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू पाई R स्क्वायर. अगेन पाई से पाई कैंसिल आउट. R1 is 8 square plus 6 square is equals to R square, or it is 64 plus 36 is equals to R square. It means R square is equals to 100 or R is equals to root, or you know that the square root of 100 is 10 centimeter. By these two questions, I would like to say that there is no need to find the whole area, then add them and then divide by the other things. You just write the formula in proper way, take the common and solve it. क्योंकि हमारे पास टाइम कम होता है उधर. So the question number 4, the wheel of a car of diameter 80 centimeter, how many complete revolution the wheel made in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour. एक कार जो कि 66 km per hour की स्पीड से चल रही है, तो 10 मिनट में सबसे पहले तो ये कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी कार, पहले हम ये निकालेंगे. सो द स्पीड ऑफ कार इज दिस. इट मीन्स इन 60 मिनट्स कार ट्रेवल 66 किलोमीटर. देन इन 1 मिनट it will be 66 upon 60 kilometer. Then in 10 minutes it will be 66 upon 60 into 10 kilometers, or I can say it will be just 11 kilometer. 11 kilometer, the diameter of wheel is in centimeter, so we should do it in the centimeter. So it will be 11 into 1000 into 100. किलोमीटर से पहले मीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000, देन मीटर से फिर सेंटीमीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, देन इट विल बी इन सेंटीमीटर. मीन्स कार जो डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी 10 मिनट्स में वो इतना होगा. अब जब ये व्हील घूमेगा तो जब पहिया घूमता है तो उसी सर्कमफ्रेंस डिस्टेंस कवर करती है, एरिया से कोई रिलेशन नहीं होता. अगर डायामीटर मेरे पास 80 है देन रेडियस विल बी 80 अपॉन 2 मीन्स 40 सेंटीमीटर. It means circumference is 2 pi r. We can say let wheel take revolution, number of revolution लिख सकते हैं आप. Let number of revolution is n. Then distance इतना कवर करने के लिए इसको n बार कवर करना पड़ेगा. तो we can say n into 2 pi r is equals to 11 into 1000 into 100 centimeter. I would have to find out n. So n is as it is. 2 pi value is 22 by 7. R is 40. 11 into 1000 into 100. So I can say n is equals to 11 into 1000 into 100. This 7 goes up, that is 7 upon 2, 22 and 40 नीचे आ जाएगा हमारे पास. So 2, 22 and 40. Just solve it, you will get the answer. First of all, I can say 11 1 जा 11 2 जा, then 2 से ये मेरे पास 500, then this 2 से ये मेरे पास 250, 0 से ये 0 कैंसिल, मेरे पास बचा 25 इंटू 100 इंटू 7 अपॉन 4. 4 से ये 25 मीन्स 625 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7, और आई कैन से 4375. दिस इज द n. सो द नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन मेड बाय द व्हील इज 4375 is the answer. In the fifth question, there is a multiple choice question. He says if the perimeter and the area of circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle will be, as he said, perimeter or you can say the circumference is the same cheese, is equals to the area of the circle. This is the perimeter of circle. Both are equal. So by the formula I can say 2 pi r is equals to pi r square. Simple question it is. Pi se pi cancel out. Then 2r is equals to r square. इस r square से r भी cancel, means r is equals to 2. 2 अब हमें ये नहीं पता कि ये सेंटीमीटर में है या मीटर में है, तो I will say 2 unit, whatever it is will be.